Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig, and today I'm going to be showcasing their 13x6 highlight dark brown Yaki straight glueless lace front wig. Now this one is in the length 20 inches. It is also 160% in density, and this is Indian hair. Now this unit comes with your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and also an adjustable elastic band. This is the Deep Bleach, Deep and Ultimate Pre-plucked hairline. They do have different options on the website now, so I'm just letting you guys know exactly which one I have so you can choose this exact one if you are interested in this style. Now this is what the parting space looks like. I feel like they did a really good job with bleaching these knots. It doesn't look overdone at all. And then as far as the hairline goes, I'm not going to have to go in and do anything extra. Be using a little bit of my wax around the front of the hairline, and then I'm going to get my hot comb and just smooth everything all back, and then I'm going to cut off this lace, and look how nice and sleek that looks. This hot comb, y'all, it has been riding with me for a few years now, and it is still holding on. I'm not mad at it. Keep this parting in the middle. I'm just going to elongate it more so you can see it, and then I'm going to place some wax at the top of that parting space so I can lay everything nice and smooth. I'm going for a really nice sleek look today, so I want this to be flat, real flat at the top, no lumps and no bumps. But look at that one side already. You already know what this is going to give. Gonna work on cutting off this lace, and usually with their lace it just blends in really well to my skin. I don't have to go in with much. I don't need any tint spray, and if I do need powder, it's going to be very light. Now right here on the side, because I'm going to be rocking this glueless, I'm going to be placing those bobby pins, and then I'm going to be placing some mousse around the front of the hairline so it can give that meltdown illusion. I'm going to place my elastic band around the front of this hairline so everything can just settle and melt in while I work on styling the rest of the hair. Me styling the rest of the hair is going to be really simple because I'm just going to straighten it, and since it's already a straight texture, it shouldn't take me long. But I do need to comb out this hair because I was noticing some snags straight out of the package, especially towards the ends of the hair because that is where it felt dry. And then I'm going to be running a few passes throughout this hair. I'm not going to take small sections. I'm just going to go throughout the places where I feel like it needs the most heat. Take me long to do that, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove this elastic band. And y'all, I was trying not to get it caught up in the hair in the back, and I accidentally pulled some of the wig back. So yes, you seen your girl just shifted right on back in place, and it still look good. Look at that, that look good. Now on the sides, because of the way I had the elastic band, it kind of made it crinkle up a little bit, so I'm just using my flat iron just to straighten out those few little pieces. And now I'm going to place some of my powder into the parting space area. I really only needed to place powder in the back part because that is where it wasn't as open. And now I'm going to use some of my Sleek and Shine serum. I was showing you guys that it is getting low finally, but I've been having this bottle for a while, so hey, it definitely does what it's supposed to do. But I'm making sure to really focus on those ends just because they do feel frizzy. The final look. It took me no time to install this unit. Very easy, very beginner friendly and simple. Now I have the longest density, which is 20 inches once again, and this unit does start at 10 inches if you want something shorter. They also offer this in a 13x4, and that one will be 130% in density. Not a fan of Yaki texture. They do offer this in a silky texture, and then if the highlights are just too much for you and you want something more natural, they do offer that option also. But they did a really good job with the highlights on this wig. I love it. I love the feeling of the Yaki texture just because it looks realistic. It doesn't come off super shiny. The front of the hairline is looking good. The lace is on point and the parting space is on point too. Quick and simple option in case you want to get this hair up off of your neck is just to clamp it up. I'm going to pull out 2 strands of hair, and then I'm just going to claw clip the rest of the hair up into place. And I'm going to put some bobby pins in the nape area because there is a little bit of lace back there, and that's going to help it kind of stay down and look super natural. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this hair goes, I did receive a little bit of shedding with this unit. I also did cut into the lace on the side. And then as far as tangles go, I did receive some snags at the ends of the hair. That's where I noticed it was more frizzy at and it was starting to catch. But with Yaki texture hair, you definitely have to make sure to go in and wash and moisturize it, and definitely keep your serum in this hair to keep everything really nice and smooth. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling it, I'm going to make sure to leave the links down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.